Hi, my name is
Damn.
Kamran Kazmi. Hi, my name is Ayman Kazmi.
Hi, my name's Shabab.
Hi, my name is Sujoy.
And this is Corona Central. So this is our golden circle, and we want to talk about three things: our why, our how, and our what. So starting off, the reason we wanted to build something like this is our first hackathon, and we wanted to really do something cool. We wanted to make something that was not only impactful but relevant. And it got us thinking about possible ideas. And I realized that my father, he has a very weak immune system, so it's hard for him to go out and to places like grocery stores or gyms and stuff because he doesn't know how busy they will be. Because unfortunately enough, a lot of people in our country don't practice social distancing, and some people don't even wear masks. So we wanted to make something that helps fight the coronavirus, because a lot of the apps that we see today only tell you information about how dangerous it is. So we really do feel like this is something that millions of Americans can use across the world. Um, so moving on, we want to show you how our demo works.
Yeah, so Corona Central is an iOS mobile application, and I'll show you a quick demo. So first I'll log in with my test username and password.
You misspelled Gmail.
Oh, bruh. Oh, bruh.
This is a good time to talk about how our authentication features work.
Yeah, so we also have a sign-up screen that does a bunch of error handling. So even if you do mess up, it gracefully handles them and allows you to properly log in. Like this. All right. So on the screen, the user's current location is instantly displayed. And how Corona Central works is it shows locations that the user is interested in. And not only that, but how much traffic there is in that particular location. For instance, let's take a look at our nearby Whataburgers. Within a 3-kilometer radius of all the Whataburger locations from downtown Austin, where my location is. Now, this is great and all to see the locations, but what's really important is seeing the relative traffic. Now, you can see that this particular Whataburger has below average traffic, which means it's more safe to visit as the coronavirus. And as you can see, it's generally below average for all of these locations. Additionally, we can look at popular locations such as gyms. And here we have Gold's Gym, which is below average, 24-hour Fitness, which is also below average, and then you have average traffic in Anytime Fitness. So the user can easily check these different locations and see which location is not only the closest to them, average traffic. And the reason why we chose to display relative traffic is because different locations have different sizes. So 100 people in a huge shopping mall is different from a small mom and pop store. Additionally, you can look up Starbucks. So you can type in any location and search within your like that.
Wow, that's pretty cool. So another use case that we were looking at is, since election is coming up, is mail-in voting. A lot of people are going to be trying to mail in votes because they're afraid to go to polling stations. And unfortunately, over 1 million projected voting ballots will be rejected. And this is because of errors when it comes to handling the information as well as inputting the information. Another big thing is that in a lot of states, you have to request a mail-in vote, and if you miss the deadline, you just won't be able to vote. So we thought that this would be an amazing use case for our app if it can show you, hey, this polling station near you, it doesn't have a lot of people, so you can just go and vote. It'd be a lot safer. So that was just one of the use cases that we were looking at. So now I want to talk. Now I want Shabab to talk about how and how we built this project.
Yeah, so basically, first of all, our tech stack is our front end application was built on iOS using Swift, as you've seen. Our backend server is built on Node.js, more specifically Nest.js, which is a Node.js wrapper. And what we use for authentication was Firebase. And for how it actually works, it takes either the user's input text and current location if you choose the regular option, or the registered voter ID address if you choose the voting option, and it inputs those particular fields into the Google Map Place API to get a list of uh, locations within 2,000 kilometers of that current geolocation that fit the text, or the civics information API, which gives polling sites that are available to that registered voter address. And then it takes those locations, uploads or uses those locations in the, what was it called again? It was
Best time API?
best time. Yeah, sorry for that.
No worries.
It uploads those locations to the best time API, gets their busyness, their average, like how much traffic they get, and then returns that all back to the app.
Hmm. And the big thing is that what sets us apart from competitors such as Google Maps is Google Maps can deliver you information about a certain hour or within that day. Our platform can go beyond that. Our next step that we are looking to work on is provide information about forecasts for the next coming weeks, as well as providing information about the peak hours, the quiet hours, and everything in between, just so you can properly, plan out where you want to go, depending on the traffic. So moving on, now that Shabab explained how we built this, I'm just going to talk about what about in a post-corona world. Okay, so how is our app configured in a post-corona world? All right, so our app is not only tailored, it's not only a tailored solution to the future uprising of any global viruses, but we've also really created an adaptable product that can be used in finding busy hours among large conglomerates of people, right? So virtually this can be used on a scale of any environment. Okay, and a prime example of this would be the DMV, where you can go to the DMV and for a minute task like getting your permit renewed, and you would end up waiting hours and hours in just to fix your problems or whatever you have, right? So so our product basically allows you to find the least busy time in a heavily populated area like the DMV, and it gives you the best choice available to what time would be the best for you, right? So our product is adaptable in any given circumstance and in any given environment, all right? And it allows you to restructure your schedule based on your needs. As a team, what we wanted to do is we wanted to create something that really has an impact in the world that we're living in today. And we believe we've hit the mark with Corona Central because it provides necessary information for people who need it and fast. And we really do believe that this is an app that can help millions of people across America. And with the use cases that we have provided, we do feel like it can help many people in many aspects in their lives. So whether it's going to the gym, like Ayman said, or going to polling stations that we talked about earlier. But overall, I think this was a really fun project, and we had so much fun doing it. And making something like this at Hack Texas, it was an unforgettable experience. So we want to thank you for that, and thank you for listening to our presentation. Bye, guys.